In order to solve this, we need an additive inverse. Now, how you'll be able to define it or to determine it, it's the denominator, by the denominator. Here, the denominator is 1 plus e exponent 3x. So you say that the difference between the numerator and the denominator is the additive, the addition here, additive term. So if we introduce this additive term in the upper here, that will make some sort of similarity, so we'll be able to solve it easily. And that is the approach of the additive inverse. So we have this should be equals to the integral of 1, okay, 1, then 1 plus e exponent 3x. So we want to make the numerator the same as this, so we introduce plus e exponent 3x. Now bringing this, that means we've changed the expression here, so they are not the same. So we have to introduce the additive inverse of this term, which is minus e exponent 3x, so that it becomes 0. So we are adding an identity element, the x. Okay, so we further expand this expression. So we detach the fraction into parts. So we have this will be equals to 1 plus e exponent 3x on 1 plus e exponent 3x minus, because of the minus, e exponent 3x on 1 plus e exponent 3x. So everything should be integrated in terms of x. So then we take each of the terms separately. So we have this should be equals to, here becomes 1 dx minus, so we give the integral symbols to this term here. So the integral of e exponent 3x on 1 plus e exponent 3x dx. Integrating this side, we get x. So x minus, now to integrate this, we introduce the u substitution. So we have then integral of e exponent 3x on, so all this, the denominator should be u dx. So we know that if, okay, so okay, but we know that u equals 1 plus e exponent 3x. So the du in terms of x should be equals to, when you integrate, when you differentiate this, you get 0. Differentiate this, you get the same thing, e exponent 3x times, differentiate the powers, you get 3 times 3. So that means you'll be having 3 e exponent x. So you make dx the subject, so you have du on this 3 e exponent 3x equals dx. So you put this into this, so you have this should be equals to x minus the integral of e exponent 3x on u times du on 3 exponent e 3x. So this and this goes off, you'll be left with 3. So you have this will be equals to x minus the integral of this and this cancel, so you have 1 on u 3u du. So integrating this, you get x minus 1 on 3 ln u plus c, but we know the u to be equals to this, so we substitute that x minus 1/3 ln 1 plus e exponent 3x plus c, and that is our final answer. And that's it. Good. Thank you.